Lang po. Bago lang po ako sa Generica. Started in 2024. Last year, I attended my first BBCon. At feeling ko parang saling pusa lang ako doon. Dahil wala naman talaga akong store that time. Kaya nagulat ako nang lapitan ako ni Sir Bong to speak in front of you and share my best practices. So I thought, okay, sir, ako. I may have been with Generica for barely almost a year lang, but I'm not new in the world of entrepreneurship. Naisip ko, I can share how I applied my experience in setting up businesses to how I've set my Generica stores up for success. Hopefully, I can impart my tips that should find useful. But to do that, it's important to give you a bit of the background of how I started. I came from very humble beginnings. Gamit ng isang bisikleta, naglalako ng kung ano-ano. May maliit kami sa sari-sari store. Nagtitinda ng ihaw-ihaw, merienda, nagdideliver sa opisina, hospitals. Pag malapit na ang Pasko, Christmas tree, dala-dala ng bisikleta ko. Pagkatapos ng Christmas, kalendaryo naman ang bitbit ko. Bigas, uling, iba't ibang paninda, name it, sinasakay ko yan sa bisikleta. Hanggang sa papasok ako sa broadband selling ng Globe. Kumakatok sa mga bahay-bahay, bawat barangay, ay hindi ng Globe kung tawagin. From an agent, I learned to build my own house-to-house selling team and become a broadband sales partner. Finally, now, I'm the one of the super vendor of Globe nationwide. Editorial partner covering the whole North and Central Luzon region. We are accredited to install and repair subscriber line, OSP maintenance, cable laying, tower erection, wall erection, at marami pang iba na activity sa Globe. Globe was my first engagement with an Ayala business and where my journey into being a better business owner started. Globe taught me everything, from sales to operation, from target setting to performance review, from warehousing to inventory, pati finance, hanggang sa audit, kinapakailaman ng Globe. It's a tough industry. Marami nababankrupt dito. Matindi ang presyo. But I started, but I survived and even succeeded in it. Kaya akala ko madali na ang lahat dahil na-master ko na yung telecom business. Pero hindi pala. Nakilala ko ngayon yung Ayala Land. My construction partnership with Ayala Land offered a different challenge. Hindi ito sales, iba naman. But this is where I learned about planning, safety, quality control, cost management. Dahil dito, we were able to construct our own hotel and resort and our own gasoline station. Fast forward today, Jetlian Holdings Incorporated is a multi-industry company composed of telecommunication, construction, hotel and resort, gas and oil industry, and the latest, ito po yung Generica drugstore. And so, connected to my background, my first learning is getting your hands dirty is the best teacher. Learn the ropes, gain experience, and understand the practical aspect of running a store, especially if it's new. Equally important, understand the market, yung customer na sineserve ng tindahan. The knowledge that you gain makes you better at organizing the store's needed operational structure and hiring the right people because you have the first-hand knowledge of the skills needed. Teaching them the right way of operating the store, tamang customer service, tamang pagpapatakbo. Finding ways to make the store more profitable because you understand the levers that brings in profit. First-hand experience is being yourself a powerful tool to establish a strong back-end support for the store to make it run efficiently, creating for yourself a template for expanding when the right opportunity comes. Which brings me to my next lesson. Generica is a scale business, is scale up to increase revenue. Nung pinasok ko yung Generica, nag-compute ako. 30% GP, 10% net. Parang kalit pala ng kita, sabi ko. Mali yata ka may pinasok. Ito naman kasi yung common sentiments natin, di ba? And then, nagtanong ako sa isang billionaire, meron akong nakausap. Hingi ako ng advice sa kanya. Sir, ano ba yung business na maganda? Tanong ko sa kanya. At malaki ang kita. Alam mo yung sagot niya sa akin? Huwag kang tumingin sa malaking income. Doon ka sa business na minimal ang problema mo. Kahit maliit daw, kahit maliit yan, kung madami yan, malaki yan. Nung naguluhan ako that time, at unti-unti ko na-realize, sa Generica pala, there is ease of doing business. May sistema. There is proven business model na masusundan. And there is support. Dito, pag mababa ang sales mo, i-assess ka nila. Tutulungan ka nilang umangat. Kaangat nila yung benta mo. You have the control of everything. Pwede kang mag-expand na sa iyo ay kalalaki ng negosyo mo. Comparing to my other businesses, ROI and investments, alam niyo sa hotel, 13 years ROI with 100 million investment. Sa gasoline station, 4 years ROI with 10 million investment. Sa telecom naman, mas malaki lalo. 2 to 3 years ROI, pero 80 million revolving fund, hindi pa kasama ang mga equipments at mga tools. Hindi pa pwedeng mangutang doon. Lahat, you need to find in order to operate the business. Pero sa Generica, ang daming favor. Hindi ko sinasabi nila nagpapautang sila. Pero alam nyo, in just 13 months, okay na ako. Trending level. Wala pa ako 1 year. Pero trending. Siguro pinaka-worst na 15. Pero trending 13 months. Yung income ko sa hotel, where my investment is 10 times more than Generica, halos pareho lang kami ng income ngayon compared sa aking hotel. Masasabi ko na among my 5 industries I have right now, Generica yung pinakamagandang income. At siya rin yung pinakamagandang negosyo. Lastly, sa lahat ng negosyo pinasok ko, ito yung may social purpose. Our prayer to God nung nag-start kami sa business, sabi namin, Lord, bless us to be